Today, I'd like to discuss the proposal of medical marijuana being passed as a law today versus just recreational marijuana. There are several factors to consider, one of them being that Texas is a conservative state, so maybe it might be a good idea to start off slowly as passing marijuana to be used medically versus just recreationally. So today I'll be talking about the pros and cons that marijuana could be used medically. So medically, marijuana does help conditions such as epilepsy and seizures. It'll reduce those symptoms as well as Crohn's disease, PTSD, and MS, and it does prevent glaucoma, which is the pressure buildup in our eyes, as well as improve lung conditions for people who do smoke. Smoking over a long period of time can result in lung cancer and just the degradation of the lungs. So, smoking marijuana has actually shown to improve lung conditions as well as stop the spreading of cancer cells. And in the cancer patients, right now, it's widely known that it does improve their appetite, which they need nutrition to help fight them. And it is slowing down Alzheimer. Alzheimer is one of the top 10 leading causes in death, and the use of marijuana is slowing down the Alzheimer symptoms. Now, some cons to medical marijuana, there are a few, not as great as the pros though, but some cons are that marijuana does increase the heart rate by about 20 to 80%, and even about 3 hours after patients do have heart palpitations and even heart attacks. Now, I do feel like those are in extreme cases where you are overly using marijuana and it's not just for medical use. So there is that to consider, as well as in the brain. The effects of marijuana they've seen on the brain is that it does constrict blood vessels, which can lead to strokes. Again, I do feel like that is in patients who are more abusing the drug and over usage as well. And one of the one of the upcoming studies that they are working on is whether marijuana triggers schizophrenia or depression. Now, that would definitely be a major game changer in the argument of whether marijuana should be legalized or not, so we'll have to watch out for that. But I do feel like in Texas we should legalize the use of marijuana, at least medically. Thank you.